I initially wasn't a theater major, but the program at Iowa was so captivating, I decided to take on theater arts as a major. I have been involved in theater for over half of my life, and I'm incredibly grateful to have continued my journey at the University of Iowa. This program offers an abundance of different classes, opportunities, and resources without many limitations. At Iowa, I truly feel like we're all creators, bringing the story and places we imagine to life on the stage. Before coming to Iowa, I had really only considered myself an actor, but that completely changed after taking Iowa's general theater arts courses. I had the liberty to pursue multiple facets of theater, which I've never done before. Since my enrollment, I've taken acting, directing, and lighting design classes. And in many of these, especially voice for the actor and theater movement, the students learn incredibly useful interpersonal and artistic skills that are applicable both on stage and off. I've also written plays here at Iowa, and I've directed and acted in plays written by my classmates. I'm graduating next semester, and I'm fully confident that I'm prepared to be a well-rounded theater professional because at Iowa, we get the chance to get involved with every facet of production.